All right, let's take a look at what's happening with this exponential growth and decay formula. So the first thing I want to notice is like the y is your ending amount. In other words, that's usually what you're having to find. So that's usually just going to stay y equals as you're working through. The a value, it tells you right here, is the principal or the initial amount. So that's like your starting number. So you usually get an initial value or a starting value or some kind of starting point. That's what you're looking for to put in for A. The one stays one, and then plus or minus, that looks kind of funny. And it doesn't mean that you're going to use both. You are going to either put a plus or a minus, and it depends on the situation. So if it is something that is going to increase or improve or go up in terms of money or value or whatever it is that you're looking at, then that is going to be a plus sign. It matches what it sounds like. If it's a decrease in value, then if you know that the numbers are going to go down, if you expect it'll often even have the word decrease or something that sounds like that, then you're going to use a minus sign, subtraction. R is just like it says here, the rate, but the key is that it's in decimal form. You almost always are going to see the percent in the word problem. And so you just want to change it to a decimal form. You can always take that number, whatever percent it is, and divide it by 100 to see what it is as a decimal. So if it says it's 3%, that's 3 divided by 100, which is 0.03. So divide by 100 because that's what percent means. It's per 100. Okay. And then the T is the little exponent there, and that stands for time. And usually that is actually time in a problem. Not always, but a lot of times it will be in years or seconds or days or something like that. But it could also be the number of bounces, for instance. I was just looking at a problem that had like a ball bouncing and how it was decreasing in its height each bounce. And so the time is the number of bounces in that case. So that's it. Y, A, R, and T. I hope that helps. See you next time.